Okay, am I clear to enter Arakonam Junction?
Yes, sir. Thank you for the cooperation.
Karthik, have you reached?
No, I am still on my way.
It's too late. The interview has already started. Rajiv is talking to the press.
Sir, what happened out there was incredible. You saved not one but two lives yesterday. Well, I was just doing my job. I did not think it would become such a media sensation. Did you know that the passenger was Minister's relative? I am just finding out the news from you. How did you decide you needed to take that risky call? Actually, my partner Karthik was strongly against it. But in my heart, I knew I had to do the right thing. Things could have gone very wrong. I made a decision that even if this was going to get me fired, I should do the right thing. How do you feel that the woman is naming her newborn son Rajiv in your honor? Well, all I can say is I'm touched by her gesture. I wish the mother and child well. Thanks.
Hey Karthik,
Hello.
you never told me that your friend Rajiv did such a brave thing yesterday.
He's not my friend, and things didn't happen the way he put it.
He has become the talk of the town. You are lucky to have a partner like him.
Well, lucky me, I guess.
He said you were against his idea. I didn't expect that from you.
That's too bad. I need to go now.
Tech Rajiv is a sneaky little man.
What do you mean?
I know it was your decision to go faster that saved the woman's life.
But how do you know?
I heard what he said on the walkie-talkie. If I were in your place, I'd tell everyone the truth.
No, please let this go. I don't want to create any controversy.
You are too kind. What he deserves is a nice kick and a suspension.
What goes around comes around, Manohar ji. Anyway, you said you wanted to discuss something about the trip?
Oh yeah, as you know, the forest between Arakonam and Vaniambadi is an elephant crossing zone. We have been repeatedly hearing reports of elephants blocking the path last week. Do you know the standard operating procedure if we encounter elephants?
I have read in the academy.
This kit contains everything the loco pilot needs to handle this situation. This is just a precaution. In any case, Rajiv is the loco pilot and he must know the procedure.
My phone has been ringing non-stop since yesterday. Everyone wants to interview me.
YouTube is fully trending with videos about what you did.
Yeah, all my friends and distant family have been sending me those videos.
But Rajiv, how did you make such a smart decision under pressure?
Well, I think I give my best when I am put in a stressful situation.
We are all proud of what you did. You are talk of the town and the superstar of our department.
Thanks, Kabir. You're too kind.
Your kind attention, please.
Do you drive today? I have so many messages I need to reply to. Let me know if you need help with anything. I'm right here.
Express is scheduled.
Attention loco pilot. As you know, the forest between Vaniambadi and Bangalore is an elephant crossing zone. You will be approaching that zone soon.
Yes, we are aware and have come prepared.
We just got reports from Bangalore Shatabdi loco pilot. Multiple angry elephants are blocking the track as this is their natural habitat. We request you to please be alert and follow protocol. We will assist you further in case you do spot them. Have you encountered elephants yet?
Yes, what do I do?
Blow horn and see if they budge. Have they dispersed?
Negative.
Loco pilot has to gate down and follow the SOP.
Karthik, do what the station master says.
But you are the loco.
I am not going to go down and fight those crazy animals. Either you do it.
Have they dispersed?
Negative.
Then we have one final option. Find firecrackers from the cake. Light and throw them.
If I had done it, it wouldn't have taken. Do you have a lot? I think that Satadar is a terrible teacher or you are a terrible student.
I hope I don't regret doing this.
This Karthik just tried to punch me.
From the look on your face, looks like he succeeded.
It's not funny. He assaulted a senior.
I am sure you must have done something to deserve it.
I am going to complain against both of you.
Go ahead. I know you lied to the media about saving that woman's life. I heard you on my walkie-talkie.
What? No way.
Yes, and I am going to tell everyone what you did.
No, please don't.
I hope you enjoyed your moment in spotlight because I am going to get you suspended.
Karthik,
What do you want, Kavita?
I wanted to talk to you about what happened the other day.
I don't have time for this right now.
I know Rajiv lied.
What?
Yes, Manohar ji told everyone at office what happened that day.
He did?
Yeah, Rajendran sir was furious. He is considering taking disciplinary action against Rajiv. He has been put on administrative leave.
Oh, I don't know what to say.
You are going to be driving the Oxygen Express tonight.
Oh, is this confirmed news?
Yes, Rajendran sir asked me to inform you.
Thanks.
I am sorry, I should not have doubted you.
That's okay, Kavita.
No, Karthik, I feel really bad. How can I make it up for it?
You can buy me ice cream.
We'll see about that.
Hello, Karthi.
Hello, sir. How are you doing now?
I am doing good. I am working from home. This is the longest I have been away from driving trains. I can't wait to come back next week.
We miss you, sir. So much happened in your absence.
Rajendran called me. He told how you handled things with dignity and poise.
It's nothing, sir.
I heard you are on night duty for this important Oxygen Express mission, Karthi.
Yes, sir.
Collect PPE suit from my office. Be well protected out there.
Thanks, sir.
Rajendran is already in Vijayawada. He will meet you after you reach there.
Okay, sir.
01. Goods Express is scheduled to depart from platform number 3. Passengers, your kind attention please. Train number.
You have a big mission today, Karthik.
I am feeling nervous.
Don't worry, you will be okay.
Thanks.
You have.
Yes, I was informed. Is the train ready to go?
Yes, everything is checked and cleared. Good luck, Karthik. I will be there to assist you. Do you need to know anything else?
Yeah, one more important thing.
What is it?
What flavor of ice cream do you like?
Oh, shut up, Karthik. You have to reach Bangalore within 2 will take it from here.
0, 2.
You did a good job, Karthik.
Goods Express
Well done, Karthik. You have done an excellent job today.
It's all your guidance, sir.
I think the minister was right. You should be sent up soon.
Up, sir?
Anyway, can you do a small favor for me?
Anything, sir.
I heard you are assigned to work on the film shooting tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Could you get an autograph of Sulaiman Khan tomorrow? My daughter is a big fan of his.
Ha ha ha. I will try, sir.
Please do. Bring it over to my office after the trip. I too have a special news for you.
What is it, sir?
I'll tell you tomorrow.
number
Good morning, Kavita.
Good morning.
Is the train ready for today's task?
Yes, the art director and her team were working all night and it is finally ready.
Are they shooting a song or a dance sequence?
It doesn't matter what they are shooting. You just take the train and reach the shooting spot. The film director will tell you what to do next.
Rajendran sir asked me to get an autograph of Sulaiman Khan for his daughter.
I suspect he wants it for himself.
Don't you want an autograph also?
No, he is not my favorite hero.
Who is your favorite hero then?
I'll tell you when we go get ice cream.
Done, we'll go out tomorrow.
number
Karthik bhai, ready for the job today?
Yes, Manohar ji. Can we start?
Yes, take the train to the shooting spot and the film crew will guide us.
5 Passenger Express is scheduled to depart from platform number 1. Passengers, your kind attention. Train
Are you the driver?
Yes, I am the loco pilot.
Let me brief you about the job. After we finish loading camera and crew on top of the train, you can start driving. Steadily reach a speed of 35 by the time you reach the bridge.
And then?
Then we will start the cameras and shoot for 60 seconds.
I can do that.
It's a risky stunt sequence and you must drive carefully. Any sudden jerk and we will risk the life of our film crew. Are you confident you can do this?
Yes.
Then let's go. We need to wrap up before we lose the light. Lights, camera, action.
Hello, sir. I am the loco pilot who drove the train today.
Oh buddy, good job out there.
It was a thrilling scene, sir.
I like doing my own stunts, buddy. You don't become a superstar without taking a few risks.
My boss wanted me to get your autograph.
Sure, buddy. Here you go.
Passengers, your kind attention.
Good evening, sir.
Come in, Karthik. I am guessing you have brought something for me.
Yes, sir. Here's the autograph you asked for.
Thanks, Karthik. My daughter is going to be so happy.
Don't mention it, sir.
You did a great job during Oxygen Express trip.
I was just doing my job, sir.
Nope. You have gone beyond the call of duty so many times over the past year. In your short time with us, you have displayed your immense talent and work ethic.
That's very big of you, sir.
Yes, and we are going to miss you.
Miss me? Why, sir?
Because you are being transferred.
What?
Yes, I thought you knew. The minister personally recommended you for this transfer.
What? But where am I going, sir?
Pack your bags with winter clothes. You are going to Kashmir.